So guys, I've just arrived at the Guwahati airport and I'm going towards the baggage claim now. Here I am outside the airport and I'll have to take a taxi from here and head to Shillong. So here I am guys, after a year coming back to my hometown, and right now I'm sharing a taxi with the other two guys and the driver is asking 1200 rupees. And guys, I have reached Shillong right now and I am heading to my friend's quarter. I came from Guwahati with sharing taxi with the other two guys who are from Delhi. And now I'm here all by myself taking another taxi to Cliff Colony. So right now I am in Shillong and I arrived yesterday. And the weather here today is cloudy and gloomy. And like I said, I have an urgent work to be done here. And so right now I am in front of the office. I have to do this paperwork. And for today, the weather is cloudy and it's 21 degrees Celsius. And last night, the temperature drops to like 14 degrees Celsius. And for someone like me who is used to Mumbai's warm weather, it's quite cold. But so far so good. And like I said, I have to do a paperwork here, and once I'm done with this paperwork, I'll be roaming around the city, and so I'll show you Shillong through my eyes. So keep watching guys. I am just walking on the street of Shillong, and behind me there's the campus of Raj Bhavan where the governor of the state stays. And so guys, that's all in this part of the video. And right now I am here in Shillong, just enjoying the vibes of Shillong right now. And so I'll see you in the next video guys. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.